Okay guys, so today I am going to show you how to make your own real pizza, your own pizza website. Not the channel called, I don't know, I just accidentally forgot guys. I don't know. I've been watching it in private videos the whole time. So just never mind all about that. So it's time to get started. What we got to do is to make a blank page. Now put in any website you want. Let's put in pizza.com slash delivery. Not just like that. So what we are going to do is to put in the photo called pizza. I don't know why do we put in pizza. So we just wait for just a second. So I just finally got it. Oh no. I think I've been hacked. I've been hacked. Oh, okay, come on. What just happened? Okay. So that means I cannot find it. Papa John's Pizza. Let's go ahead and try that. That's just only my best. Okay, guys. So what we got to do is to just inspect. It'll just lag for just a second. Yeah, you just see right here, guys. So this might take a while, guys, since my battery is low. Just don't worry all about that. So we're going to move our cursor. Okay, okay. We're doing it. Let's click on it already. So we just wait. Okay, and now it's stopped. Now we have to do is to copy it. So we just wait. Now that means we can click, copy element, X out of it. Now just inspect. Now okay, it's 12%. That means we are okay, guys. Okay, let's put in the title, pizza delivery track. Yeah, so that means you can use cookies, payment, and more kinds of things. Just do whatever you want. When I say track. Wow. Oh, wow. That's super big. Probably that still counts, guys. That still counts, of course. I still like it. But first I have to do is to take a picture of it. That's my own first favorite food ever. Let's take a picture of that. Thank you. Wow. I still like that pizza. It's the best. I'll just put it in my own favorites after this video. Okay, let's use the tracking system, which is almost there, guys. Let me see delivery. Pizza delivery. Here we come. Oh yeah. It's super laggy, guys. When I got a lot of catch. See? You better look at this. Now let's press order. It's just I press order. So that means I didn't sign up for this, right? If you didn't sign up, that means it's still okay, guys. It's still okay. Okay, let's do the whole thing. Let's do the whole thing, guys. Whole thing, please. Oh, wait. I did I just know already. We got to copy the HTML to even use the whole thing. So we can just paste all of them like it's super big, guys. You never notice. You never notice what I just ever done. So I just removed the HTML just like that to make it more important. Now to paste it. Yep, I told you people. Now it's just that's out. Now we're ready. Now we're just prepared. Look at that, guys. So this is real. And I wish you could still enjoy this video. So that's it for today. Bye. But also these apps are just disturbing me, guys, because I don't have a Facebook account. Probably I just have a Twitter account and some YouTube. And I don't have an Instagram account. Don't you remember? It didn't exist. Not in my YouTube channel. So that's it for today. Bye.